And it's almost here. It's getting pretty close. It's still pretty calm. And there's a nice shot of the wall as it's coming in. Starting to feel a breeze. And there's a nice shot of zero visibility coming our way. And everything just turns tan, brown, and dark. You can see those palm trees off in the distance are already covered in dust. And so are those buildings. And that tree is a block away, and it's pretty much here. It's a little more mild than I expected. And here you can see clear sky, and then the layer as it starts to get more cloudy, and then solid dust. So this looks like it's just going to be the annoying kind of dust that hovers in the air, and then it settles on all the trees, and then we get and the cars, and then we get a light rain, and it turns to mud on your car. Ugh.